Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to play Uso using only mouse. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, click on Uso and open the game, then click on the circle, click on play and solo. Now for those who are used to play with only pad or keyboard, in fact Uso actually supports mouse. You can play also using mouse and keyboard at the same time, or playing also using only your mouse. How to do so? For example, you choose any map in here. You can, for example, click on this one, and from here you can just click on the circles, and for sliders like these, keep clicking until they fade out. So that's how you play with mouse using that's how you play also using mouse. And for those that mouse doesn't really work for them, let's just go back in here, click back, click on also, and then options, and let's go to, I think it's over here, yeah, the 1 2 3 4 5, the 6 option. And from here, make sure that your mouse sensitivity is a little bit high, so it's not really slow or stuck. And then from here you can wait, let me check. You can if you haven't your mouse connected, you can click on a button, it will shows up in here, and after that it will get your mouse connected. Then after doing so, as I said, you can go right after that to your let's click on here to close this menu, and then just go ahead, click on also, open any map you want, and then by just clicking on the right and left click, you can start playing the game. For example, let's show you this. Of course, it's not really good in harder maps, but it can do the job in the early on game maps. For example, the 2 star maps and the 1 star and some of the 3 stars maps, if you are so good and fast with your mouse. So that was the video, and thanks for watching.